Hello friends, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I want to show you how to make an embroidery on knitting with a tapestry needle. The wool on this mitten was embroidered later when the mitten actually was finished. That's how it looks from the inside. So here I have the small swatch, and I have a tapestry needle with a quite short thread. You will not be able to embroider with long threads just because it's not convenient. So we need to see how our stitches are going. This is one stitch, left and right leg of it. Here is the base of this stitch. So we will need to work from this base up. Let's begin. Here is the stitch, for example, that we want to cover with other color. So we need to go on its base, and we need to go under, lower this middle bar. So this is the stitch we are going under. And then we need to pull the thread through the both legs of the stitch, which is just above the stitch we want to cover with other color, and coming back to the base. Once again, sticking the needle through the base, picking up two legs of the stitch above, coming back to the base, and once more. And if you need to make stitches of the same color on distance, just go to that stitch and do the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a great day. Bye.